Summer Chase, Summer Chase.
Okay, so here we have this 300Z twin turbo automatic. It's a 1990. It's T-tops. It's blue on the outside, blue on the inside. Oh, Moby's gonna fix this brake light issue thing. Oh, it's nice and faded too. Nice and stock. Oh, it's raining. Nice and stock paint. This is how we like it. Super faded, super nice, virgin, no intakes, no nothing. That's how we like it. How many miles is on this thing? It says 28,000. I don't know how true that is, but I'll read the title. Oh, the rain is coming down. Oh no. All right, let me make this quick. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. It's unmolested. It's perfect, man. Perfect starter car. Oh, so it has 200,000 kilometers. Yes, because they changed the timing back at 200,000. So this motor has 200,000 kilometers on it. Somebody, damn, it's coming down. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see the issues down there. Oh no. Let me kill it. Cool. She's here. Let me know.